Hey everyone, welcome back to another BossCM video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom and PowerPoint Compass. So in Google Classroom there aren't any much things to do. There's your Google account and you can see stuff on the chat like right now I'm going to say I'm here. I want to post it onto the chat. Once you say that, you can and also percent Word. It doesn't have to work since we're going to so there's this. He will send just depending on which one you have to do and everything. You can create and assign, but you can but Sir said you can take a picture. Your teacher will tell you what to do and how to do it. He will give you a time and date as well. You may also copy the link if you need to. You can also copy the link if you need to send to anybody. You need to get a home pass, like just click that. Class. If you go classwork, classwork is the place where you can just call your classroom right there. Halloween was the only one that he sent, so that means that was the only one that you have. And people is just see all the teachers, people, everybody in your class. That's all in this class. And that's why you can go here and you'll find classroom right here as a shortcut, which can in your Google Chrome. Well, that's all you need to know. Bye bye, enjoy it, and have a bossy flip in there.